Hey y'all, we're gonna make homemade sourdough cinnamon rolls today, and I'm gonna start after the first 8 hours where it has risen. I'm gonna punch down my bread, I'm gonna knead it in the bowl for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna lay it onto a floured surface, roll it out with my rolling pin into a large rectangle. Once we have that rectangle flat and evenly spread, we will mix together our filling. Now that consists of 1 cup of softened butter, 1½ cups of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. We mix that and spread it evenly on top of the dough. Once we have the filling spread out, we're going to roll it up in a tight roll. And then once we get it in our roll, we're going to cut it into 1 inch to 1½ inch segments and place into a greased pan. Once you have your cinnamon rolls placed in your pan, you're going to lay the pans in a well-ventilated area and cover them with tea towels. You're going to want those to rise 8 more hours at least. I do mine the night before so that I can have them for breakfast the next morning. Once you get ready to put them in the oven, you will preheat your oven to 350 degrees and you will bake them for 20 to 25 minutes depending on how done you want your rolls. While your cinnamon rolls are cooking, you can make your glaze. Now I have a really good recipe I'm going to share with you. It's 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, ½ cup of butter softened, 2/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now you mix that up real good, and when your rolls come out of the oven, you spread those on. Once they're done, I can spread my glaze and cut and enjoy. So if you like this, check out our other sourdough bread videos.